Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rudmita and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look that we have right here. But first you're going to need some gel. I like using my Eco Style gel because it works for my hair and also helps me get that slick down look we're going for. A comb and a brush, some Got2b glue spray to help my hair lay down, some rubber bands, and some hairpins or bobby pins, and of course the hair, 100% Kanaka-line hair. Let's get into the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give my video a thumbs up, and you might as well just hit that bell button so you'll get notified the next time I post a video. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Now it's time to add some accessories. It's optional, you don't have to, but adding accessories do make the hair look so much better and it really makes the hair stand out more. And I got these little accessories from the beauty supply store also. They were like $1.99, so, and they came 4 or 5 in a pack. That's it, you guys. Here's the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very helpful. Don't forget to click that icon with my picture to subscribe to my channel, and also if you don't mind, click on one of these videos that just popped up